Well, this is how my day's starting. Rainy day, driving through Dallas in a traffic jam. Good times.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So hey friends, so far this morning it has just been driving in the rain. Been driving in the rain for about 3 hours. We're coming close to the spot we want to stop for lunch. It's one of our favorite restaurants whenever we head east. I will share it with you when we get there. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes if you find these little dives that doesn't look like anybody really wants to eat at, those are sometimes the very best places to eat at. So, hoping it's open for business. It should be. Yeah. Good times in the rain. Alright, we're almost to the restaurant. Oh my gosh. Not a moment too soon. I'm so hungry. They're not even kidding. Fine food. I'm telling you, it's really good, guys. So what'd you decide on, Vicki?
Breakfast.
Breakfast, me too. Even though it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but
It is so good here.
I know I've been thinking about it for 3 hours, so I decided might as well have it.
Can we stay for dinner and then we can have burgers?
Yeah. OMG. Look at all the food. What are we gonna do? Eat. Yep, that was good. Very, very good.
Delicious.
So the Pitt Grill is right off I-30 in New Boston, Texas. It's not far from the Arkansas border. So if you're ever traveling through that way and you're hungry, I highly recommend it. So we just stopped at the most podunk gas station I have been to in a long time. Yep, they made us go in and pay first. There was a dog in there that was guarding the beef jerky. I'm not even kidding. He would bark if you walked too close to the beef jerky rack. Yeah, I think we're in Fulton, Arkansas. This is the Red River service station. I feel like I'm in an I Love Lucy episode. It's like, don't come here, man. You may never get out. Anyway, all right, off we go. All right, we're trying to find a place to camp in this wildlife management area. Found it on freecampsites.net, so we'll see. Archery range. Oh, turned into a gravel road. And we'll see if we can find this place without getting stuck in the mud. I don't want to get stuck in the mud. So this isn't even the spot that was on Free Campsites on the official page, but it was along the road to the free campsite spot. So it's a designated camping spot, but we decided it looked perfect. It'll do. Yeah, this'll do. Can actually still hear the highway noise off to in the distance, but it's not bad. Won't hear a thing in the van later. Yeah, spring is springing. This'll do. So even though it is sprinkling, we decided to go ahead and try to start a fire. Why not, right? So I found these at the store. These are called tumbleweed fire starters. It's kind of cool. We're gonna give it a whirl because this wood is wet. We also brought some dry stuff. Yeah, I don't know. This stuff's pretty wet. Maybe. Looks like it's trying. I think it's gonna work. Yeah, nothing against Walmart parking lots, but to me this is just a little bit better. I'm less fearful here than I am around a bunch of people. And it's just so pretty. These are those little tumbleweed fire starters. I said I'd ordered something else off of Walmart.com and they exchanged them for these. So better than nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. We're just going to enjoy a lovely evening by our little campfire that we got started here. Hope the rain holds off till we go to bed anyway. So I will catch back up with you guys in the morning. Probably be on the next video. Y'all stay lost, my friends. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. We're just going to hang out here and enjoy this campfire and maybe a lovely ice cold step 2. If you watch Steve Wallis, you know what that means. No? Nobody watches Steve Wallis. Okay, except for those, 500,000 people. Oh, wait. Alright, take 2. Now we're camping with Vicky. That makes me the crazy neighbor, though. Wait. No, that makes her the crazy neighbor for sure.